Hey there, quick question. Do you type fast? Because if you have above average typing speed, then listen close, because that skill can make you an extra $450 a day by working on this really simple task. I know this sounds almost too easy, but the task I'm referring to is typing names. Yes, people's names. There are a lot of crazy things available online, but this kind of crazy, well, it's crazy good because there's actually this legit website that will pay you for each name that you type. One page of names can make you up to $6. So imagine with an above average typing speed, then you could be making $6 multiplied by the number of pages that you can type per day. The best thing about this gig is that there's no limit to the number of pages you can type, which means that you basically get to decide how much money you want to make. So if you have the time and the patience to type up a couple hundred of names in a day, then you could be making some decent money doing something that will not cause you any mental stress whatsoever. This opportunity can be done anytime, anywhere, as long as you have a PC or even just a smartphone. It's also 100% free to start, and there are no hidden charges or registration fees at all. It can be done anywhere in the world by anyone who successfully completes registration on their website, which is honestly much easier to do than other freelance job sites like Upwork or Fiverr. So yeah, let's talk about each step of the registration process so you can start making G's from home right away. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell and like button if you want to be kept up to date on how to make money online and reach financial freedom as a digital nomad. Also, feel free to leave us a comment and ask any questions that you might have. We love hearing from all of you and do pay attention to the kind of content you want more of. Okay, so let's start making money. This website that I'm talking about, it's called talentdesire.com. Let's head over there right now. Okay? So let's check the About Us section of the website. It says here that they're an international recruitment agency whose mission is to help people find meaningful employment. It says that they serve clients in more than 121 countries and across 45 industries. Apparently, they have a pool of clients and outsource jobs to freelancers like you and me. So now let's check out their job openings. See here now they have the online typing job that we're going to be talking about in further detail in this video, but let's check out the rest too. Okay, it says here they offer medical transcription, online tutoring, content writing, proofreading, language translation, online surveys, affiliate marketing, and freelance blogging. Wow, really something for everyone. So I suggest that you try and browse the current openings on Talent Desire after watching this video, of course, because while the online typing job is great, there are many others that you may be more interested in, and also their rates are comprehensively pretty competitive. So now let's click on online typing jobs. So it says here that they offer online typing jobs for all levels, from beginner to expert. So remember when I asked at the beginning of this video if you could type fast? Well, that's because if you scroll down here, you will see that their per word price depends on your level. For a beginner, you can earn around 10 US cents per word. Okay, and then for an intermediate typist, the rate is at 12 US cents per word. For a professional typist, the rate is at 15 US cents per word. And for an expert, you'll be able to make double what a beginner can make at 20 US cents per word. So because at Next Level Finance, we want to make sure that you make the most money that you can online, we'll be sharing an insider tip to help you receive the maximum payout per word on Talent Desire. Are you ready? So while most of us are probably beginners or intermediate typists, there is a way for you to get the same rate that an expert typist would. So that's 20 US cents per word. Let's open a new tab here so I can show you. Let's head on over to this website called ratatype.com. Ratatype is a website that tests both your typing speed and accuracy, and then it provides you with a free certificate for it. Don't worry, everything here is free too. Okay, so now simply click on this yellow button that says start typing now, and using your phone or computer, you can just start typing away. Let's try this out. As you can see, the website logs how many words you can type per minute and how many mistakes you're making. So don't worry if you didn't do well the first few times because you have an unlimited number of tries. The level we're aiming for is 90% or higher. So when you achieve that or are satisfied with your result, then you can request for your certificate by signing up for a free account. Okay, let me show you how to do that as well. You can do that by clicking on this link right here, where you'll be asked to enter your name, your email address, and password. All right, let me do that for you. Okay, and then don't forget to tick on this box and click on the sign up button when you're done. After signing up, you'll see your name on the dashboard and will have access to your certificate. So you simply download that and save it as a PDF file and you're good to go. So again, we're taking this additional step because this simple task will increase your pay from 10 to 20 US cents per word, so that even as a complete beginner, you can apply for the post with your certificate on hand and your application should be processed faster and you'll be able to access the job sooner and with the maximum payout per word. So now that we have that ready, let's head on back to talentdesire.com and apply for the job. You do want to read through all the fine print to make sure you have a better understanding of what the job requires. For instance, it says right here that your work will need to have a 98 to 99.99% level of accuracy for your work to be accepted and for you to get paid. Any work below that level will be returned and will need to be resubmitted. They also mention all the specific channels you can receive payment from. So here, if you click this, you'll see that they transfer via Payoneer, PayPal, eCheck, and Western Union. Okay, and once you've read everything through, simply click on the apply button right here in red. Once you get to this page, you can just click select an application form and you'll be redirected to another page where you have the option to fill out either an online or offline form. I've only tried online, so let's do that now, and then you'll be again redirected to this page that says fill in your details to apply and work with us. All the links and redirecting can be quite annoying, but this is the last of it, so bear with me, okay? Okay, so let's accept the privacy policy and fill out all the other required details. Under preferred job title, you can put professional data entry specialist. And here, this part is really important. Under the option what time is best for you, I want you to choose all day because this will ensure that jobs are offered and accessible to you all day, which will allow you to make as much money as you can handle. After filling all of that information out, tick on I'm not a robot and submit your application. And once you're done with that, you can just wait for the Talent Desire team to get back to you and let you know that you're accepted. Before you know it, you'll start receiving typing name jobs just like this one. As you can see here, you can earn $15 for just 300 words for a single page. Just complete as many accurate pages as you can on time to make yourself more money in a day. And as simple as that, you can monetize whatever free time you have and inch yourself closer to financial freedom. If you liked this video, we have a ton of other money-making ideas that should help you out too. I'll leave links for those in the cards and description box. Don't forget to show us some love by liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Alrighty then, signing off until the next video.